So hello, good afternoon. I'm Adam and I'm here with my co-founder Max, and we are Vundahaus, and we are developing the first scalable residential retrofit system. And we're on a mission to make homes wonderful. So Europe faces a tough challenge. It needs to insulate 45 million solid wall homes. These difficult to treat homes emit 120 million tonnes of CO2 per year. And insulation is the key step on the road to decarbonising our housing stock. So, what's stopping us? External wall insulation is the only way to treat this problem. However, current methods are painfully slow. So the process you see here, 10 days to externally insulate a wall, and we've also had customers who've given quotes up to 3 to 4 weeks. You can see this is very dependent on the availability of skilled labour, and many experts believe that this puts at risk our ability to do that decarbonisation, this looming labour crunch. So what's our solution? Our solution is to take this process to an off-site manufacturing process, delivering reliable quality and minimal disruption, so that we can make this amazing transformation you see in just 2 days.
We are developing a mass customization process which is going to completely transform this industry. Using the latest of 3D scanning technology, we can create detailed 3D models of every home, and we can use those to design and manufacture a custom kit of parts to fit that property. This process is going to be highly automated, cutting out costly and labour-intensive architectural design work. And finally, the assembly is completed on site as our kit of parts is delivered fully labelled and with detailed assembly instructions, cutting down that final on-site step of the process and minimising disruption. The key to enabling this process is our external wall insulation system, which is highly flexible to accommodate the huge variability between properties, which is what makes domestic retrofit so challenging today. As we expand this kit, we will build our defensibility and we will become sticky with our customers. Nothing like this currently exists on the market, and that is why a lead social housing contractor has come to us for a solution. In response, we have developed a detailed design proposal for a £350,000 worth of fabric measures on 11 council properties in central London. Our design proposal eliminates 80% of on-site labour. But we're even more excited about the transformational effect this could have for the residents of these buildings, who will see their energy bills cut by at least half, as well as being able to live in a warm and healthy home.
So, Vundahaus is a business that combines deep product design and software skills, and we are the Vunda team to deliver. So we've got my co-founder Max, who is a PhD materials scientist with 7 years experience in R&D. Myself with 15 years experience leading software and data products. And I also have access to properties for the first MVPs. But more importantly, we've also assembled a team of Vunda brains who've got deep construction expertise to lead us. And they're also innovating in the space of retrofit. So where are we going? So as Max presented, we've already delivered on 1 design bid. The next step, by the end of the year, we will deliver 3 pilots, followed by a further 10 pilots early next year, which will iterate and optimize to get to our 2-day install time. And finally, by the end of 2024, we will deliver 150 homes, and we've already got a letter of intent for 50 of those. Not only that, we've assembled a selection of brilliant partners who are going to help us achieve that plan. So we're not alone in this space, but however, 99.9% of all installations done today are the traditional on-site method, which, as we've shown, is painstakingly slow and dependent on labour. Next, you've got the large SIPs, structurally insulated panels. Whilst these do eliminate some of the labour, they can be very expensive, upwards of 100,000 per house, and they need specialist equipment, often coming with a crane. So where we'll differentiate is we'll be manually handleable, so without specialist equipment. We're going to go for a A-rated fire system, and we're also going to eliminate effort by automating the design process. Just this year, in March, 1.5 billion was injected into this market through the UK Social Housing Decarbonisation Fund, and we see this market growing to 4.5 billion by 2030, just on the UK non-heritage properties. So the market is starting, and we're going to be riding that wave. So over the next 12 months, we're looking to raise 500,000 to support us over the next 12 months towards our 13 pilot homes, to develop the team and the prototyping space, and also critically to get us through the testing and certification process. So if you think you can add value in this space, we'd love to speak to you. So let's make homes wonderful. Thank you very much.